friends, welcome to AlgoRepo. So today we are going to see a linked list problem, lead code to add two number, and it is a medium level question. So let's see. Let's see what is the question. So we have given two linked list 1 and linked list 2. Let's suppose 2 4 3 has linked list 1 and linked list 2 5 6 4. So we have to create one linked list and we have to add this both linked list, and I have to insert what the result we got after addition, and we have to create this new linked list and insert that value and return this new linked list. That is 2 plus 4 2 plus 5, that is 7, 6 plus 4 10. But in node we have a condition that we can only store single digit in one node, so because of that I have to store 0, and so we got 10 here, right? So we will add 0 here and remaining 1 will be stored in carry, that is carry equals to 1. And when we add here 3 plus 4, that is 7, I will add this carry, that will be 7 plus 1 8. So I will write 8 here. So at the end I will return this new linked list. I hope you understand the question. So let's solve this. And one more thing guys, if you see here, our linked list is 2 4 3, that is 2 4 3, but when we see here in the explanation the value is reversed, and in the same way 564 has 465, and even the solution. So we have to write 2 4 3, again we have to reverse even. So this is linked list 1, I will write linked list 2 traverse from this side, and again I will reverse it, so it will become 465, and at the end I will get result value 807, and again I have to reverse it so that I will get my desired output. So instead of writing in this direction and again after reversing I will add and again I will reverse, instead of doing that, what I will do, I will never reverse. Instead of reversing I will add in the same direction. What I mean to say is that, so this is my linked list, right? Linked list 1 2 4 3. So this is my linked list 1, and this is my linked list 2, that is 5 6 4. So this is my linked list. So what I will do, I'll create one, this will be my new created linked list. This both linked lists are given in the question. I have to create this linked list, and what I will do, I'll add 2 plus 5 7 here. So when we add in normal way, we'll go in this direction from right to left, right? 2 4 3 5 6 4. So when we do addition, we'll add this and go in this direction, but here we will go in this direction because see 3 4 2 6 4 6 5 addition we got 807. At the end I have to again reverse it. Even the question and answer both are reversed, so what I will do, I will add in this direction in reverse order, so we'll get our desired solution. And one more thing guys, so for finding, so we have seen that if I am having two digits, so what I will do, I'll this right digit I will store here, and this left digit I will store in carry, that is 1. And while adding this, that is we got from here carry 1. So while adding both this linked list 1 linked list 2 value, I will also add linked list value 1. So here we don't have any carry, so what I will assume that here my carry is 0 and also here 0, and when we got carry, when we have carry, we'll add what our carry is. For here I have carry 1, and from here 3 plus 4 7 plus 1 8. So this is my new linked list. I will return this new linked list. So for finding carry, there is a simple basic thing is that let's suppose 2 4 3 5 6 4. So here I got 7 and here I got 4 6. So this is my sum value. So what I will do, sum modulus of 10, when I'll do, I will get 0. That is, here s is 10, so 10 modulus of 10 0. So I got 0 here, and I will store carry as 1. How we got that? S divided by 10. So here 10 divided by 10, that is 1. So I'll carry 1. So for finding carry, what I will do, what we got sum plus, I will divide with 10 so that I will get carry, and the remaining what I have to store here will be s modulus of 10. So for that, and one more important thing is that, let's suppose my linked list 1 have length 4 and my linked list 2 have length 2 only. So linked list 1 have 4 size and linked list 2 has 2 size. So what I have to do, and let's suppose this is 1 2 3 4 and this is 1 2. So what should my new linked list would be look like? Because here the linked list is pointing null here, so whenever we get null, we'll just return 0. So for here 1 plus 1 2, here 4, and when we have 3 and another list is pointing to null, so what I will do, I will return 0 where the null is pointing, and from here I will get 3 and here 4, and here it is null and here also it's null pointing at the end. So when both of the lists are pointing to null, I will return as end. And one more thing guys, let's suppose here I have 10, so at the end after so here let's suppose my result has this much value and I'm remaining at the end, I got level as my answer. So what I mean to say is that, so this is my solution, and at the end I have got level as my value. Here there is some value and here I have to add level, but we know that I can add only one digit. I will add 1 here and we have left with 1, that is carry. So if even so, while checking condition, if both null, I have to also check if the carry value is not equals to 0, not equals to 1. If here 0 is there, then our loop will be end. Otherwise I will add one, I create one node and I will add this carry. So while writing the code, you will understand this point. So let's code now. So first of all, I have to create one dummy node which will be pointing to 0. So this will be this node. I am creating this node just because I should know the address while returning base address, starting address, because for that I am creating this node. Otherwise there is no use of this creating this node. For that I am keeping the name of this node as temporary node. Okay, and I will insert 0 in this, and I will also create one pointer node and I will point this node to temp. Sorry, I will name this as trav, because this pointer will be pointing to the traversing from one node to another node, and at the end it will be pointing to last node. For that I will store temp here. And also we need carry one. Carry, at first it will be having value 0, and now I'll check condition. If L1 is not null, L2 is not null, or carry is not 0. If this satisfy the condition, what I will do, I will first create one value, or let's v1, and I will check if L1 is not null. I will add L1 value, otherwise I will store 0. We have seen this point. Whenever my length is smaller than the another linked list, we will just add 0 there where we have value null. In the same way, for this value 2 will store linked list 2 value, and it will check. If it is not, it will store 0. And after that we need sum, and my sum will be value 1 plus value 2 plus carry. Carry is there from starting digit, starting node only, but at earlier it will be having value 0, but when we get real carry, it will get updated. And after that I will create a new list node, and let's suppose we give this as node. We give this node name as node, and it will store value sum modulus 10. Why? We have seen this. If we have single digit, it will get stored single digit, but if we have 2 digit, so it will store right digit, and the left digit will be stored in carry. So I'll also update carry has sum divided by 10. I hope you got this point why I'm doing this here. So after that, what I will do, I will store traverse. In traverse next, I will store this new node which I have created, and I will move forward my traverse pointer to next. And I have to I have to point make move forward list L1 and list L2 to the next node. For that I will check if L1 is not null. I will update L1 as L1 next, and in the same way I will do. First I will check if L2, if linked list 2 is not null, L2 equals to L2 next, and at the end I will return. Carefully see here guys, temp next. Why I am returning temp? First thing is that temp is my first node, starting node, and in starting node I have created dummy node with value 0, which was created by myself. So this is not valid. So our actual solution is starting from temp next, that is after temp. So because of that I am returning from temp next address, and let's see by running if our code is running or not. And it got accepted, so let's submit now and let's see. Yes, it is submitted, so accepted. And thank you guys for watching my video, and if you are new here, please subscribe, and if you like the video, If you like the video, please like and also share with your friends, and also if you have any problem or do let me know in comment section. Thank you guys.